Hi guys, my name is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel and I'm really happy to see you here today. So in this video, I will tell you what is the OTS market because you asked me a lot about that. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video. So guys, less words, more actions. Let's go to the OTS market. So guys, first of all, before we start talking about the OTS trading, we need to choose our indicators. And today I will show you some new one actually. For the time frames, I use AIM1. Time frame for our trade is gonna be 5 minutes, guys. Yes, I know. For the indicators, I choose moving average, MACD, and vortex indicator. So for the moving average, I change the period to 95. Also, we change it to double aim A, and style is pink here, and we click on the button save. For the MACD indicator, I choose the periods 13, 25, and 10, and for the colors we don't change anything, we click save. For the vortex indicator, we change the period to 15, and we change the colors to green and red as well. So guys, first we need to open trades. Let's see what we have here. So also I want to change the amount of money to $500, and here I open a trade for $500 up for 5 minutes. I think this is one of the first video on this channel where I'm trading with 5 minutes trades, because usually we trade with 2 or 3 minutes, but 5 minutes trades is also really great, and I really recommend you to try it at first in your demo account when you're just a beginner. Maybe you will like it more than just a short-term trading. But in my web club, we trade usually on 2 or 3 minutes trades. So guys, while we're waiting for our trade to close, I will tell you everything about the OTS trading. So OTS trading, or over-the-counter trading, so that's why it calls OTS. So it's the way of buying or selling financial instruments via decentralized networks. Anyone that's traded cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin will have heard of term decentralized. The fundamental concept of decentralization is the same way to OTS trading. However, the ways decentralization manifests itself in the crypto sector and OTS trading is slightly different. So when you trade over the counter, you're buying and selling via the telephone, or more likely an electronic broker or trading site, for example, like Pocket Option. So these trading websites known as brokers, and they have access to platforms that offer tradable securities or stocks or currencies. So these brokers facilitate the exchange process between two parties. This means two counterparties, a buyer and a seller, conduct their transactions through a brokerage and therefore outside of an exchange. So because transactions take place through a broker or a network of brokers, the orders aren't placed directly with an exchange. So we call this a decentralized system because an exchange can be seen as a centralized point of control. So orders that are proceed outside of an exchange and through a broker are decentralized. Also, let's talk about, it's really important, about the difference between OTS trading and DMA trading. So there are two main ways to access the financial markets and place orders: over-the-counter OTS or direct market access, DMA. So direct market access trading allows you to place orders directly with an exchange. It requires specialist software that connects you to an exchange and allows you to make trades directly with counterparties. So these transactions are written directly in the exchange order book. So over-the-counter trading is different, of course. Transactions aren't carried out directly on an exchange, nor are they directly overseen by the exchange. Instead, you place orders through a broker. So you access a broker service by telephone or electronically over the internet via an online trading platform. So brokers are connected to an OTS network that provides access to a variety of tradable securities, stocks, and ETK. So actually, I think this is really useful, and this is really easy to trade on the OTS market because of that. Like, you don't need to, like, you can just trade on the platform and you have the access to so many currency assets or stocks or indices in ETK. So this is much more important. And also, as you can see, the payout here is really amazing. So yeah, guys, we had our first profit with this trade, and let's open another one also on the OTS market. Here we can see pretty good downward trends. What do you think? Also, we can see on the MACD indicator, the histogram is showing us the red candle. So yeah, I opened a trade here for $500 down. We can see on the MACD indicator, the histogram of MACD is below zero level. Also, we can see the red candle there. Also, the two lines of MACD is intersects the histogram and going lower. And also, we can see that the red line of the vortex is intersecting the green line of vortex and going higher. So it means that the downward trend is stronger right now. And also, we can see that the moving average line is going a bit lower. So this is the third signal to definitely open a trade down. So let's also talk about how to trade on the over-the-counter market. So first of all, derivatives. So derivatives are securities that derive their value from an underlying asset. So this means you're not trading the asset, but a contract agreement that derives its value from the asset. You can trade futures and forwards on the OTS market as well. Second of all, bonds. Bonds aren't traded on formal exchanges because they're issued by banks. Because of this, they're traded via broker-dealer networks, which means there are OTS securities as well. Foreign currency. So the foreign currency exchange market is OTS. Therefore, when you trade Forex, you're doing it via decentralized currency exchange. And also cryptocurrencies, of course. Cryptocurrency exchanges are over-the-counter markets. This is because there is no central point of authority. So exchanges facilitate peer-to-peer transactions. And let's also talk about, in conclusion, about pros and cons of OTS trading. So there are some benefits of trading over the counter, of course, and so actually there are some big benefits of trading over the counter, and of course a few drawbacks is everywhere. So as with all types of trading, nothing is guaranteed. You need to understand that this is really riskful still. So the orders you execute aren't guaranteed to return a profit. First of all, the pros of OTS trading. First of all, you can trade securities that aren't available on exchanges such as bonds and derivatives. Second of all, you can trade penny stocks, lower cost stock that, although potentially more volatile than high value stocks, could provide significant returns. Third of all, you can trade stocks in companies that can't or don't want to be listed because of the regulation governing major exchanges. Also, you can trade with the cryptocurrencies on the OTS market, with just foreign currencies as well, with the pair of currencies also. So this is really convenient, and I don't know how about you, but I like it. Text in the comments, what do you think about OTS market? Also, the cons of OTS trading is also exist, of course. So first of all, there is usually lower liquidity in the OTS stocks market, which means it can be harder to complete buy-sell orders. Second of all, stocks of lower value, such as penny stocks, can be highly volatile and tend to move more significantly in light of economic data. So that's why we analyze our market so much. We have our technical fundamental analysis. We watch all the economic news before I start trading session, and I also recommend you to do that and always check it. I think my day starts with economic news and ends with that as well. So there are some, of course, sometimes problems with OTS market, but it couldn't be like really easy. And guys, we almost ended our trades, and yeah, we had our profit. So we had a profit around $960 in this video while I was talking. So as you can see, it's actually really easy and really great to trade with OTC market if you know how, if you use my catch-up system, money management, technical fundamental analysis and strategies, indicators, and you know how to analyze the chart and what currency pairs to choose as well. So if you want to know about trading, go to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description of this video, and join our trading community. I will be really happy to see all of you there. So my dear friends, I hope this video was really useful and interesting for you. Text in the comments what do you think about that. And yeah, see you on the next trading session. Bye bye.